And if you're not familiar with the sound, well, let's give it a go. You might want to hold your ears for this one. Greetings and salutations, you lovely gents, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower. I'm your host, Corey. Yeah, this doesn't like your normal cocktail video. If you saw one of my latest videos I put out, I did an unboxing of a bunch of Tiki Mugs, and one of them was an Aztec Death Whistle mug. I was really surprised to find it. A restaurant, I think in Boston, called Gato Exotico. They commissioned it. I think they commissioned it for a margarita, but it's a little too small for their margarita, so they made their own Aztec Death Whistle Cocktail. I think we're gonna give it a shot today. But yeah, I think it was a good chance to show a little bit of my collection. It's interesting. Over the years, I've only found a few actual handmade ones like this one. And I started seeing more 3D printed ones. And now you can find, like, these two are found on Amazon. They're, you can find them all manufactured, mass produced, whatever else. And I got a few other interesting ones. This is my favorite death whistle. It's shape of some animal head. The rest of these are just some South American clay whistles that I've collected along the way. Except for this one. This is my first one that I started with bought it at the Ren Fair back in, the early 90s. So I've had it a long time. But yeah, if you don't know what Aztec Death Whistle is, the basic premise was the Aztecs blew these whistles like at night or on the battlefield, and they sound like demons screaming. And yeah, if you're sleeping in the middle of the night, for a battle, and all of a sudden you hear 1,000 of these crazy whistles going off, then you probably crap your pants too. And if you're not familiar with the sound, well, let's give it a go. You might want to hold your ears for this one. And so yeah, that's the general premise of an Aztec Death Whistle. Now, times that by a couple thousand, and yeah, you would be freaked out too. It's I don't know how they make them, because the whole insides are carved out a certain way or molded a certain way so that it doesn't actually make a tone. Whereas like these whistles here, which you press the eyes to make tones. Those actually make tones. That one only makes like 3. Same with this small one. You have ones like this that only have 1, and it's just a whistle. Oh, I forgot how loud that thing is, even in my ears. And of course, you got these here that are just regular old. You can actually do a scale on them if you know how to play it. Yeah, I got into them a few years ago when I was doing music, and I thought it might be a cool addition to music I was making at the time. And then of course then I found a plug-in for Aztec Death Whistles, and so I didn't have to actually record mine. But yeah, it's just a little bit of a collection here. They're pretty cool. There's a very cool conversation starter with people. I think they got a little more famous because of Joe Rogan. I think one of the other comedians was on there, blew it right before the ick happened, and so they kind of attributed to that. So hopefully nothing bad happens because I played these again. But yeah, I think it'd be cool to try this cocktail. It's got some ingredients I haven't used a lot. So anyway, as always, I am not a bartender. Do not take any of this as bartending advice. Let's make a cocktail. Now, as I was saying before, I really interrupted myself. The folks at Gato Exotico created this drink, and I found it on their blog site. It's called cocktailvirgin.com. I'll put a link to this recipe, and so you can go check it out. It's got a few ingredients like mezcal and orange curacao, which I'm about run out of. And I haven't made anything with Fernet Branca yet, but I at least tried it. You know, nice Amaro, a nice Amaro. You didn't come here because I pronounce words correctly. You came here because I make drinks that nobody's heard of. Well, one of the ingredients was this Ancho Reyes, and I never tried it. I thought, yeah, this would be cool. First, let's get this thing done. I want to try this before I even make the cocktail, because this could all be a bust. Here's to you, here's to me. We should never disagree. Well, here's to me. That definitely has a little kick going down. It's such a weird flavor. I mean, it's definitely that Amaro kind of, you know, like the Fernet. Oh. I mean, it's spicy, but it's not like, you know, hot one spicy. Of course, the spice doesn't bother me too bad. That's interesting. I don't know. Well, you never know something till you try, right? All right, let's just start at the top. 1 ounce of Mezcal. 1 ounce of Ancho Reyes. I swear. Please don't kill me because I can't pronounce something. 1 ounce of Ancho Reyes. Half an ounce of Orange Liqueur. I'm using dry curacao. And half an ounce of Fernet Branca. Bronco. Half an ounce of Fernet Branca. And it's stirring time. Now they suggest it either using the mug or an old-fashioned glass. I'm going to use an old-fashioned glass just so we can see what it looks like. And this, my friends, is the Aztec Death Whistle. I'm curious what this is going to taste like. It's not bad. You get that smoky mezcal in the back, and it's really not that spicy once you start putting other stuff with it. Might could bump up the Orange Liqueur. I don't really taste it too much, but yeah, it's not as like in your face as you would think with all those ingredients. It's actually a pretty pleasant drink. Yeah, it's all good. And there we have it, Aztec Death Whistle. In the meantime, you know what to do. Cheers.